This is Xiaomi 15 Ultra in dual tone finish. The design and color is kinda similar to the Leica M11 DSLR. Xiaomi is trying to give it a DSLR-like look using silver chrome finish on the right half, leather finish on the rest. Yes, even Xiaomi's photography kit is gonna have a similar style and finish, so it's gonna look like a pocket DSLR. See, this could be a special edition color with 1TB of storage. There's also one in charcoal black and then there's one in leather finish. The design is kinda similar to the Xiaomi 14 Ultra and 13 Ultra, so no too less change in terms of the design language. The camera placement is quite different because you have a periscope module of 200 megapixel on top right, and below that there are triple camera lenses. This all with dual LED flash and some supporting sensors. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra is coming in 6.8-inch display size, 120Hz refresh rate with high frequency PWM, 5700 mAh silicon carbon battery with fast charging, Qualcomm 8 Elite powerful chip with HyperOS 2.1 icing on top. The 8 Elite is powerful, got custom Orion CPU and is based on TSMC 3nm process.
What kind of dressing you like on your knuckle sandwich? Cause I'm about to serve you up nice.
Xiaomi will be using Dragon Crystal Glass 2.0, which might be the toughest glass we have ever seen, and this with a layer of silicon nitride for a better durability. So for those who want a powerful camera-centric device, should wait for the 15 Ultra, but for those who want a decent affordable flagship, those who don't want to spend that much, I would highly recommend getting the Xiaomi 15 Pro. It's an amazing device. Xiaomi is also working on a special flagship, the Xiaomi Mix Z, aka Zuke. They say Zuke might use a combination of gesture controls, pressure sensitive edges, or even voice commands. So it's gonna be something similar to the concept Xiaomi showcased a few years back. They say we may see wireless charging solution for no port, so something similar to wireless air charge would be great. And yes, there's an under display selfie shooter which we have already seen in the Mix 4. So the most futuristic device is on its way. Get ready guys, Xiaomi's all set to shock us all. Thanks guys for watching. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and I'll meet you guys in the next one. Peace out.